to show that even when you're 9 months pregnant, ready to deliver any day now,
Oh, yes, today.
you still can be adjusted. And we do this very gently. There's deep breath in, all the way out. The reason we would do this is because there are added stresses on the pregnant mom's body with the additional weight that she's carrying around all the time. And these stresses cause misalignments within the spine called subluxations. And when you have subluxation, it creates inflammation around the nervous system that creates abnormal communication from the brain to the tissue that those nerves go to. So to ensure, to ensure that we have a nice, easy pregnancy and delivery, a lot of our pregnant moms get adjusted all the way up until the day they give birth. All right, I'm going to get you to go ahead and raise yourself up. And typically, because in the later stages of pregnancy, the female body produces a lot of elastin, which creates a lot of elasticity within the ligaments, so we don't have to put a whole lot of force in order to get the movement and the adjustment to be successful. You're all set? All there is to it. So thanks for your Amanda. Appreciate it.
Thank you.